In Forex, unemployment claims means a weekly labor report that can shift views on growth, interest rates, and the dollar. The number tracks how many people newly applied for unemployment benefits during the latest week. Because it arrives every week, claims can move markets sooner than many other labor indicators. Claims matter because they offer an early signal on layoffs, policy expectations, and short-term currency sentiment. Claims is the quick weekly pulse, while non-farm payrolls gives a fuller monthly read on employment trends. Higher than expected claims often suggest labor softness, while lower claims can imply a firmer economy and currency outlook. That is why traders usually compare the release with forecasts and the recent trend, not the headline alone. Use claims as one economic clue, not a standalone verdict. Educational content only, not financial advice.